water, fire, climate, all crucial for human life, at the same time posing an unpredictable threat to valuable property.
Enormous sums at stake when fire totally destroys.
It's flooding water just everywhere.
Naturellement, c'est une tragédie énorme.
To many, this is the end. To us, it's the start. Enter Polygon. This is our everyday. We have the knowledge, technology, and leading edge. And that's why we can promise to be by your side and get things running again, no matter what happens. We have the power and the knowledge, and our arsenal of equipment to prevent, control, and mitigate the effects of fire, water, and climate is beyond the ordinary. Our large-scale business makes us able to keep a unique mix of specialists and experts who, together with some of the world's most advanced equipment, make us one of the world leaders in property damage control. Our 5 centers of excellence consolidate our expertise in a number of strategic areas across borders. We have over 60 years of experience within property damage control and temporary climate solutions. We work 365 days per year, 24/7, on 3 continents. Our customers are spread all over the world and in different businesses, from Harvard University to world-leading car industries, insurance companies, the public sector, and private homeowners. Our values are crucial parts in our constant striving to be number 1. Integrity. We're honest, accountable, and reliable. It's important as we meet people in difficult situations and often handle classified information and business secrets. Excellence. We are continuously striving to improve ourselves and apply best practices from around the Polygon Group. Second best is not an option for the industry leader. Empathy. We have a genuine understanding of our customers' lives as they confront losses due to water and fire. Therefore, we treat them with respect and compassion as we fix their problems. This is the heart of our business. At Polygon, you'll find a high-performing group. We share our worldwide experience and constantly renewed knowledge to advance our industry and remain the industry leader. We work with the entire life cycle of properties, from project planning to demolition and everything in between. Nothing is too big. Nothing is too small. In the end, it's our people that make the real difference. We are Polygon, and we promise to be always by your side.